please.
Assalamu alaikum. Kindly tell us what is the relationship between Adl and Ihsan, especially in view of the sermon that you once gave.
I was delivered lectures, longish lectures in Jalsa Salana.
Yes.
You want me to deliver another lecture here?
No, I just want to know that how is it that
Why don't you?
Adl ke baghair Ihsan ho nahi sakta? This I could not understand.
You think it can be done?
No, I do not know the correct meaning of Ihsan.
No, what I said was right in the beginning that unless you establish Adl, that is complete justice, you cannot conceive of any Ihsan. Ihsan must have a fundamental base of Adl, otherwise it cannot be built. Because that Ihsan, whatever you call it later on, is not Ihsan. In the name of Ihsan, something you do, which is not Ihsan at all. For instance, a mother can be kind to her own sons and you think it is Ihsan, while at the same time she is being unkind to other wards which are her stepsons. So, if she is being cruel, she cannot be a Mohsina.
Correct.
So without establishing the fundamentals, one can't get to the higher rung of the ladder.
Correct.
That is impossible. This is what is meant by the Holy Quran when it first always repeats this in the same order. Adl is kept first and is paid greatest stress upon. Then comes Ihsan, then Itaiz al-Qurba, which is a rare quality among the rare people of Allah, but this is the highest man can reach to.
Correct. There is Adl maintained between the celestial bodies floating in the space. Similarly, if we throw a handful of pebbles onto this video camera, some will strike, some will go astray. Every pebble has got its own circle, and they do not overstep each other. So that is also Adl. There is Adl in every way in this life. Here Ihsan does not happen.
I have also spoken of this in my Jalsa Salana speech.
Right.
What is meant by Ihsan in the law of nature?
Yes.
There are manifestations of Ihsan in everywhere, in animate as well as in inanimate creation. And that can be established positively, but not in such a short sitting like this.
Yes.
I think if you read the last speech of Jalsa Salana, there I have quoted quite a few examples of Ihsan in the universe.
In the universe.
Yes.
Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Anything else, please? Sayyid Muhammad Abdul Rashid? This is between you now, you are sitting close to Fine?
He told me he has question, but I don't know if this is one I don't mind.
You didn't give him a chance at all to say yes or no. He said something and walked up to
Would you
the-
like to come?